Hey guys, it's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video, y'all. I'm starting another vlog, y'all. It's been real, y'all. It's been real. So today's vlog is just a short vlog, an evening routine vlog, a hair routine vlog, because I feel like I need to do my hair. And I'm going to show you guys what I do to my hair in the evening. And then I need to redo my son's hair, or my second-born hair, because it's been a mess since we returned from vacation from Florida. I haven't really done anything to his hair. So I need to do something to his hair because I was really tired and I just was like, oh my gosh. But I promised him yesterday I was going to do it today, so I'm going to show you guys that. I already started doing it, and then I was like, let me record this or something. So let's go ahead and see. So let's go ahead and see what we're doing today. Hi. All right, y'all, so I am going to start Chelia's hairs first. So I will be detangling his hair. So I'm going to be using the aloe vera juice in order to make his hair soft so it doesn't hurt while I am finger detangling. All right, so that is the hair, that is the aloe vera juice. Again, I will use the mango candy cream to, that's the only product that I'm using in order to braid his hair. Again, the aloe vera juice for detangling and the mango candy cream for braiding. Guys, go ahead and subscribe if you are here for the first time, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much.
Yeah, you surprising. Baby, tell the truth, just be honest. Caught up in your lies, do they make sense? Like you was doing your thing at my expense. Yeah, it's funny. How do you chase me down just to play me? Cause how you look up on the real thing, and who gon' love you down if it ain't me? Take me back to riding around in your whip, hands all over my hips, kissing over my neck, yeah. Take me back to concerts in the city, saying baby come with me. Now it ain't so pretty. Now I'm saying, whoa, it was all good, all good. Now I'm saying, whoa.
So now guys, I am done doing the hair, Chadiel's hair. I'm getting ready to now, clean the house a little bit. I'm just gonna clean the living room because it's a little dirty. The kids kind of like mess it all up, and I'm over here trying to clean it up and all that good stuff. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. I'm just gonna broom it. I'm not gonna mop or anything like that. I'm gonna save that for another day because I am tired. I had to take the train back home, and I had to walk to the house. It's a while. It's like 0.something miles to walk to the house. So yeah, I don't want to take the bus because the bus be taking too long. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm cleaning this living room.
Pretty. If it is different, let it be. You cannot keep up what you promised me. And if it is different, let it be. It's no use switched up on me. Oh, now I'm saying, wow, it was all good, all good. No, cause now I'm saying, wow. Take me back to, you got me saying, wow. Take me back to, cause now I'm saying, wow. Oh, you trippin'.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say? Suffered silently, wanting to be erased. There's a reason to believe again when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and stand on solid ground. You keep searching for a hero. You just want to find a friend. You just want to make a difference. Bring this battle to an end. All the words could make you stronger when you learn how to look within. 'Cause you're the hero that you're after. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero. Have you ever wanted peace, to feel the freedom of release? Whispered quietly, but now it's time to scream. 'Cause mercy triumphs over judgment. Light will always shine in darkness. Ooh, and you won't get the best of me. There's a reason to believe again and stand on solid ground. Yeah. You keep searching for a hero. You just want to find a friend. You just want to make a difference. Bring this battle to an end. All the words can make you stronger when you learn how to look within. 'Cause you're the hero that you're after. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero. You are the hero. Don't let them break you or take you down. You are
Whew, all right, y'all. So it's time for me to do my hair, guys. This is how I basically, prep my hair before going to sleep. So I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, I kind of do different styles. For today is going to be these two pigtails, and I'm gonna put on my little satin cap. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you have watched the video till this far, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.